Hello, ladies and gentlemen of Germany, all over the world. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Inside Wirtschaft, best station in town. Welcome, Berlin. Dow Jones Industrial Average 22,773. Pay no attention to everybody who's giving you a headline that says the market is a first down day in a bunch of days and that the market's rally is selling off and la la la. The market is down 1 point. The market is up 5,000 points. You tell me, what does that really mean? Oil off a little bit. Definitely a retreat in the oil today. Definitely a retreat in the transports today. But ladies and gentlemen, we need a little pause. It's on Friday. It's in the middle of October, right? Down 1 point means anything? Absolutely not. The market was battling all day with small gains and small losses throughout the day in all different sectors. But at the end of the day, this is I really believe this is all week long. We're hitting record highs. You know what? Today's, in my opinion, a record high. Down, markets down 1 point. Please, I mean, can we talk for a minute? Can we really talk? This is nothing more than really a good day, because after all these record highs, the fact that we're not having profit taking and some kind of a sell-off or a retracement or a pause or a consolidation is really nothing short of miraculous. Okay, so this appears that it's what's valued into this market is really a bet on tax reform. It's really a bet on corporate earnings for the fourth quarter. It's really a bet on that there's nowhere else to invest except in this market, right, ladies and gentlemen? The spiders, the Russell, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, this market in general, right? U.S. earnings. You know what? Look what happened today. This country has been hit with potential war with North Korea. Three hurricanes of biblical proportion, 60 inches of rain in Texas, 40 inches of rain throughout the Caribbean and in Florida and New Orleans, complete decimation of the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, and still the market does not retrace, okay? Insurance stock, reinsurance stocks, rebuilding stocks, the Home Depots, the Lowe's and whatnot. These stocks are basically flat to solid, okay? We're gonna rebuild this country. We're gonna rebuild the Caribbean and Puerto Rico. We're gonna rebuild Texas and New Orleans. We're gonna survive whatever goes on with North Korea. We may even survive this administration. Who knows? At the end of the day, there's nowhere else to invest but in this market, okay? That's what this market's telling us. And if you bet in and price in the fact that we may get huge tax reform, okay, whoever it benefits, it's going to be tax reform, there's going to be corporate repatriation of funds, and we're going to rebuild America. Whether it's the promises of this administration, whether it's the relaxing of regulations from the Obama era, or what, net at the end of the day, it's pro-business, it's pro-infrastructure. It's living itself out in earnings and corporate earnings, and the market, Cat Tractor, Boeing, solid, up 10%. Financials this year up 5, 6, 7, 15, 20%. The Goldman Sachs, the JP Morgans, the Wells Fargos, the Citibank up 26%. The financials are rallying. That's a bet on the tax reform. That's a bet on the tax reform. That's what you have to look at. This market is on fire. Pay no attention to the slightly red negative arrow in front of the -1 that we had for the day after 7 consecutive record highs across the board. This market's on fire. Stick with Einstein, stick with me. Stick with the NYSE, and I love you. Dow Jones Industrial Average, giddy up. Have a great weekend. We'll talk again on Monday.